Welcome students, this is Fluid Mechanics Lab and today we are going to perform the metacentric height practical. Now the objective of the practical is to determine experimentally the metacentric height using buoyancy setup. Now what is metacenter? Metacenter is the point of intersection between an imaginary line drawn vertically through the center of the buoyancy of a floating vessel and a corresponding line through the new center of buoyancy. For example, here this is a body, it has a center of gravity and it has a center of buoyancy. Now if we tilt it with some force like this, now the center of gravity will not change, it will be same as the body is not changed. Initial center of buoyancy is at this point. Now as this phase the body is immersed slightly more and it is here the body is away from the fluid. So the center of buoyancy will shift from B to B dash. Once we find B dash, if we make a vertical straight line and it cuts the original line GB at point M, this is called metacenter, and the distance between center of gravity and center of gravity is called metacenter. This is metacentric height. Here by practical we can find out metacentric height. Now this is a experimental setup to determine the metacentric height. Here we have a vessel in which water is filled, which is our fluid. Now this slip is floating in this vessel. This is a plumb line. A string is attached and which is directly towards the downwards due to gravity force. Now what we are going to do? Now we will be putting some weight here at a given specified distance. It is very important for this practical that ship should be stable. So after we put this weight, it will take some time for ship to become stable. Now this is the weight of this piece which we have put at this place. In our experiment this weight is 0.18 kg. The total weight of the ship is 6.3 kg. Now this length of the plumb line when it is vertical, it is 270 mm. Now if we remove this weight, it is at the center, but once we put weight here, it is tilted from my side, it is in the clockwise direction, slightly to the right. Now the weight of the ship is 6.3 kg. A small weight which I am going to put on either left or right, it is 0.18 kg. This length of the string from this center is 270 mm. The distance at which I put this weight is x, and the distance of plumb line cutting this scale is d. From this we can find out the formula for the metacentric height is small w into x upon capital W into L by D. Now I am going to take one reading. We have obtained reading from the setup, and here we made a observation table. This is our observation table. As I have already told, the formula for metacentric height is small w into x upon capital W into L by D, where small w is the weight of the small weight which we have put on the side arm of the setup, and that is 0.18 kg. Capital W is the weight of the ship, and in our case it is 6.3 kg. L is the length of the string, and that is constant, 270 mm. These three things are constant. Only variable things are x, d. Now, if we put a weight 3 cm away from the center, d is 0.8 cm. If we put a small weight at 5 cm away, then d is 1.4 cm. And if we put small weight 7 cm away from the center, d is 2.1. From this x and d, putting the value of x and d here, we can find out metacentric height. This is metacentric height, 2.8 cm, 2.75 cm and 2.57. Similarly, for example, if we have put it on the right side, we can put it on the left side also, and we can find out same metacentric height with the same setup of this observation table. From this we can find out the metacentric height.